Hello, hi there, and everyone, and each and everyone, everybody. Hi to all. Sup, Mo? Jim Wilson. Hi to all, everyone, everybody. Ethan. Hello, hi Ethan. Kamusta kayo? Kamusta kayo? O, diba? Amazing siya araw, guys. Magandang umaga. Magandang tanghali at magandang gabi sa inyo lahat, mga ka-skipper. At kung saan man kayo, sa magandang buhay sa inyo lahat. Ayan. Yeah, welcome sa ating Usapang Puso dito sa platform na to. O, diba? Long time no see. Ano na, kamusta kayo? Yun lang. Nabati ko lang ang mga nagsasend ng lihim na liham. At pasensya na kung hindi ko nababanggit o hindi ko nababasa ang inyong mga liham. Pero nababasa ko naman, hindi ko lang na sa live. Kaya yan. Time check, it's 3 p.m. UK Standard Time. Diba? May UK Standard Time. Naalala ko lang ito yung sinasabi ng UK Standard Time. Yan. O, diba? Pasang nga tayo. Meron tayong pinag-aaralan sounds. Ano nga ba yung sounds na yun? Yan. Tingnan natin kung malinaw ba. Yan. Tandaan natin. Every morning I'll wake up and know something thinking of me. Every moment I turn the radio on, I know that I'll be singing it too. Every time I remember our moments together, I will make me smile. Cause I'm not fully being alone with someone who cares like you in my life. Ooh. Every time I see a little kid playing on the street, taking you, holding me, how I long for your embrace. Every time I remember the moments together, it will make me smile. Wonderful it would be long for someone who cares like you. In my life, there's only you in my life. In my life, nobody brings me happiness like you do in my life. Stevie, what's up? The second of each passing time, I could feel your heart next to mine. Blows at my face, I close my eyes, I feel your kiss. Cause every time I remember our moments together, it will make me smile. Wonderful it'll feel long. in my life. Manggorio. Nobody else with happiness like you do in my life. In my life. In my life. Nobody brings me BM, what's up? Every time I remember the moment together, it will make me smile. Wonderful it is to belong to someone who cares like you in my life. It's you in my life. In my life. Nobody brings me happiness like you do in my life. Oh my goodness. Ito yung mga time na nakakaantok, no? It's 3 o'clock habit na parang masarap lang mamiga, magmuni-muni o matulog, di ba? Ayun, naalala ko yung maliit kami, natutulog kami sa tanghali. Cancel nga natin itong camera. Sub J Burman. Josh, what's up, Josh? Long time no see, Josh. What's up, man? Buhay ko, hindi kailangang mamagay. Nagdadaldal lang sa tingin. Saan ka ba nanggaling? Ayan, naantok na tayo. IZ, what's up, IZ? Zab, what's up, Zab? Hindi ka iiwanan, hindi mo babayaan, o anong siya ang nadarama. Di kailangang magpanggap, walang kailangang baguhin. Nantok ako, guys. Saan ba pwede matulog? Matulog sa inyo. Magpahinga sa puso mo. Char. O, diba? Sana all. Hey, Liz. What's up, Liz? Okay, tagal ko rin nangarap na makapiling ka, o aking mahal. Pangakang hindi ka iiwanan. Kamusta, Liz? Bakit ka, Liz? Gusto mo? Naantok na ako, guys. Pwede ba matulog? Matulog sa piling. Alaman mo. Okay, tagay. Miss Mary. Miss Ramsey pala. Miss Ramsey. What's up? What's up? And Jedge. Jedge, hello. Kamusta? Sino ba to? CK. What's up, CK? Kamusta? Miss Ramsey. Ay, ang ganda naman ni Miss Ramsey, oh. Sana all maganda. Bored ako, inantok ako eh. Nasa work ako eh. PCN. Bored ako. Ba't iba pangalan mo? At saka Pinas na ka nakalagay dyan. Naroy pala Pinas. Kumusta? Naka-video ako nung live ka. Hindi ako makaporma kasi yung mga chikiting nagre-review. Puro exam kasi. Hindi ako makapasok sa sa studio. Ito na naman. Yeah. That's your real name? Initial? Is a long time watcher, a rising star in your life. No worries. Ano daw? Is a long time watcher and rising. Oh, thank you. Talaga? Sige, anong pangalan mo? Christine Clay. Tama ba? Ano kaya CK? Tambayan. Thank you, Tambayan. Uy, Papsi. Thank you, Papsi. Long time no see, Papsi. Nandun ako kay Colette kahapon kagabi. Claire nga I know, Claire. Alam ko naman, Claire. Sentan. Sa paglakbay sana. Yan, nawawala ang antok mo. Dahil nandyan kayo. So yes, thank you. Thank you, Miss Kushik. Ako naman ay napadaan lang din. Iyan ako to. Upload ko doon sa YT. Salamat, CK. Ayan. At kay Miss Ramsey. Nandiyo si Miss Ramsey. Papsi, Tambayan. Ano nang balita sa'yo, Tambayan? Kamusta ang ating currency dyan? Bitcoin. Mandami ko na ang puti ng buhok ko. Sabi nung mga kasama ko sa pharmacy, Ali, why your hair like that? It's like a nest. Bird nest daw. Bird nest. Sabi ko wala kaming suklay. Hindi ako nagsusuklay. Maglalagay ako ng konting gem. Okay, bye. Thank you, Miss Kushik. Thank you. Dito ko pala tambay, Isa rin ang pagtutulong. Tuloy tayo ng pwede nating songs. Ano nga ba yung ating Let her go. Yan. Let her go. May passenger.
Earn red points on your debit card spend. Redeem for experiences, airline miles, and more.
Thank you, Tambayan, ha. Ayan. Thank you, CK. Alright, ayan. Yan, sinasabi ko na paborito nating kanta ngayon to dahil ganun din, magmamahal ka, iiwanan ka rin. Hindi, wag mo nang mahalin, di ba? Well, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know no lover when you let it go. O, diba? Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. Yan, let her go. O, diba? Staring at the bottom of the glass, hoping one day you make your dream last. But dreams come slow and they go so fast. You see when you close your eyes, maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely dies. But you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know no lover when you let her go. Let her go. When you're feeling low. Only hit the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let it go. Staring at the ceiling in the dark. Same old empty feeling in your heart. Cause love comes slow and it goes so fast. You see when you fall asleep, but never to touch and never to keep. Cause you love it too much and you dive so deep. Ay, sana o, diba? May naranasin nyo na ba yung mahal na mahal nyo yung isang tao pero kailangan nyo bitawan, kailangan nyo maghiwalay, di ba? Ramdam nyo ba yung pain, yung mga pagkakataong gano'n, di ba? Parang ang masakit doon, kunyari for example, ikaw yung iiwanan, ano, parang hindi mo matanggap kasi bakit mahal mo, magmamahalan tayo pero ba't mo ako iiwan? Diba? Anong dahilan? Parang hirap tanggapin ng ganun. Diba? Pero yung, kunyari, pag nag-cheat, ganyan, or lost of love, siguro pwedeng ganun. Matatanggap mo pa yun eh. Lalo na pag-cheat. Masakit, pero tanggap mo. Pero yung walang dahilan na sabi mo, mahal kita, tapos iiwanan mo na kita. Parang ganun. Ang hirap, diba? Hirap yun. Only let her when I'm missing home. Only know I love her when you let her go. Only rolling on the lights when it's burning low.
Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low.
Only hit the road when you're missing home.
Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go.
You let her go. Sana all. Eto na lang. Nasaan na? Eto to. Okay, ayan na lang. Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up till the very end? I know your love and no pretend.
Stick by my
Side
side.
and the world is screaming in. Yeah. Don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. I'm not returning, but I hope you see no one. Alright, ayan. Maraming salamat sa inyo dyan. 10 millions in the house. O, sana all may 10 millions. O, diba? Ayan.
If you stay forever, let me hold your hand. I can feel those places
Mamaron,
in
ay.
your heart, no one else
Musta
can.
Mamaron? Long time.
Let me show you love. I'll not pretend.
Kamusta Mamaron?
I'll be
Sa work ka?
right here, baby, you know, sink or swim.
I'm good. Busy? I see. UK ka pala?
I'll be there whenever you
Tama ba? I need somebody who can love me at my worst. I'll pretend that I'm something. Ayan. Kamusta ang iyong puso, Mama Ron? Long time no see. Salamat ha. Sumilip lang. Thank you, Mama Ron. Thank you sa batch. Kulaking ano na yan. Nakakabuhay na yan. I'm good. Buhay. Natibok pa rin. Ay, sana ulit. Buti na lang. Ayan. Natibok pa rin ang puso. Sa special someone, ano? O, diba? Sana Inspired. Inspired ka ba? Ayan. Salamat lang ha, Mama Ron. Okay lang.
but I hope you see my words. This is only you, nobody knew.
Saan ba makakahanap ng taong hindi ka iiwan, hindi ka sasaktan?
I swear I do the worst.
Okay, sure.
I'm only one call away. I'll be
Tama ba?
there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Call me baby if you need.
A friend. I just wanna give you my love. Come on.
Reaching out to you, so take
Mami Jana. Hello.
where you go. No, you're not alone.
I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Kumusta?
Come along with me and don't be scared.
Salamat. Ano yun? Ano yung reposted?
Free.
Masakit ang likod ko. Masakit ang tuhod ko. Meron akong arthritis. Kumusta mami? Jana.
Your smile.
Okay.
Matter where you go.
Nakaano na ako eh. Naka-4 na paracetamol na ako eh. Yun na lang. Ayoko ng ibuprofen eh. Tsaka ng naproxen. Kasi baka mayari yung aking kidney. Di ba? Malakas ang sa inobaging mo eh. Kaya parang sarap magpahinga, no? Ano na nga ba yung pahinga? Yung kantang pahinga? Ikaw ang pahinga ba yun? Ay, alam ko na yung paborito mo. Buti hindi ka busy. Thank you. Yeah. Birthday, Superman. Ayan.
Trade natural gas. Long and short. Get the Trading 212 app now.
New Bet365 customers get up to 500 free spins when you deposit £10.
Ayan. Alam mo ba yung kanta na to? Mami Jana? Nung 2 weeks ago, meron akong crutches. Dalawa. Sumakit yung tuhod ko na maga. Pa-doktor ako. It's hard for me to say the things I wanna say sometimes. It's hard on here, but you and me, and out the most sweet light. Sweet lang mo yung ano, nagpapapak. And all I got to give to you. Yan. Thank you for loving me, for being my eyes when I couldn't see, for parting my lips when I couldn't breathe. Thank you for loving me. Thank you, Mami Jana, sa unconditional love. O, diba? Sana all. O, diba? Mama Ron, thank you. Head a doubt. Stop it. When I look into your eyes, the sky is a different blue. Cross my heart, I will know the skies. And if I try, you make believe that you believe my lies. Thank you, Mami Jana, for loving me unconditionally. Ano, Char? Yun lang. Wala na. Thank you, Mama Ron. Char. Hindi na ako magtatagal ha. Mga 5 minutes na lang. Ano pa bang paborito ni Mami Jana? Next, hiling. Ito maganda to, hiling. Sige. Alright, thank you very much sa inyo at last song. Wala pala tong lyrics. Hanapan natin ng lyrics, ha? Sabayan natin. Yan. Last song before we go. O, diba? Nasa work ka ba, Mami Jana? Ayan. Diba? Isang hiling lang naman na huwag kang saktan pag umibig. Ito ay isang dalangin, huwag sanang ipagkait. Matagpuan ang hanap na pagkarap na pangarap. Kasalanan nga bang umibig? Parusang lungkot ang hati. lamig ng hangin ang yakap. Tuwing gabi. Tuwing gabi? Tuwing gabi. Mangitago, di kayang maglaho ang mga katanungan tulad ng
Bakit parang
akin lamang may galit, pagkayang tanda ng iyong pansinip. Para ba na pagbigyan ang hiling? Lumilipad ang aking isip, bigla na lang nagpapailing. Wala nang ang mapagtuunan ng pansin, pilit mangitago. Kayang maglaho ang mga katanungan tulad na parang sa'kin lamang may galit, dayang tadhana ng iyong pasilip. Karapatan na pagbigyan ang hiling. Katandang puso, kahit pa ako'y masaktan, kung sino man para sa'kin, di mo sasayangin. Madayang tadhana iyong pansingin. Alright, maraming salamat. Cruise Ship, Mama Ron, and Mami Jana. Sa lahat ng mga pumasok ngayon. Good night sa inyo and good night. Yan. Usapang puso na sa inyo. Okay? Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Eh, mas maganda pala ang gulo ko dito. Kaya ba pa naman? Beautiful thing. Ano na beautiful thing? Mas maganda pala ang gulo natin ito. Di ba? Yeah. See you and see you when I see you. And magmahal ng tama. Deserve ng kamahalan mo. Ang kamahalan mo no? Deserve niya ang tunay at wagas na pagmamahal. Kaya huwag niyong paglalaro ng puso. Okay? So,
One thing I'm looking to improve
Eve.
this year is my prep
Hi,
for
Eve.
our run. So
Good night,
I asked
Eve.
ChatGPT
And
to create
I'll
a
see you
really
around.
pre-run
Bye-bye.
session that I quickly follow before hitting the road.
Oy, Chisel. Kuya.
Suffice to say, I can definitely feel the
Kuya?
difference.
Bakit kuya? Okay, good night. Bye-bye.
What is the back market promise? It's a
night.
commitment to quality that begins way before you click add to